Textiles, shepherds, cool outfits.
All a front. Explorers have searched for it. Called it El Dorado. They looked for it in South America. But it was in Africa the whole time. I'm the only one who's seen it. And made it out alive. I can see you.
The world is changing. Soon, there will only be the conquered and the conquerors.
Step into the spotlight.
You are a good man.
Step into the spotlight.
With a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be a king.
Ready to go see Black Panther, and I'm so excited. Like, I've been preparing for this all week. I have a whole outfit, makeup, everything. I'm so excited to go see this movie. I'm anxious. Like, I know it's going to be amazing. Just from the previews, from the interviews I've been watching, like, I know it's going to be amazing. I'm just anxious to see exactly what goes on, exactly the message. Like, I'm just excited for the whole thing. Like, I have a whole get up. You're gonna see my outfit, everything. I'm just excited to be and like to live at a point. I'm just excited to experience this movie and like this movement. Like, everyone is so excited for this Black Panther movie, and I'm excited. I'm anxious, like nervous, like everything wrapped in one. So that is what I'm getting ready for.